The Watchdog Crop Monitor from Absolute Automation. The Watchdog wireless crop monitor uses remote sensor transmitter modules to measure and wirelessly transmit the temperature of your crop or greenhouse. You can also choose to measure humidity. The wireless sensing units can be installed anywhere within a 1,300-foot radius from the local base monitoring unit. Additional sensors and transmitters may be simply added or moved around. The base module receives regular transmissions from the remote sensors and displays the temperature in large easy-to-read LED display. If any sensor detects a temperature violation, the base module will alert you with an audible alarm and warning light. The radiation shield protects your sensor from irrigation, rain, solar radiation, and other sources of heat that may create inaccurate measurements. The sensor simply fits inside of the shield. Spec Log Crop Monitor software is optional with the kit. It logs weather data onto your PC and produces the reports that you need to manage plant growth. The Watchdog Wireless Crop Monitor is available from Absolute Automation. Call toll-free 1-800-296-3910 or visit our website at www.absoluteautomation.com.